Hi, welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Hi, happy to be here.
I think that you will be super happy about this one. Um, it's how do you pronounce T and L together, like a T, you know?
Mm,
And maybe there are thousand more words, but I just found in English Atlantic.
yes.
But I think that you don't pronounce it like me, like Atlantic. So it's more
Mm-hmm.
soft, right?
Well, and then also the California accent, things get kind of muddled because it's like Atlanta,
Oh,
California accent, you
Atlanta,
lose a lot of T's. Atlanta,
Atlanta. Okay, so no,
Atlantic,
I try
Atlantic.
to help you because this is going to be
No,
tough.
no, yeah, California accent has a lazy mouth.
Okay, okay, so we will check this pronunciation. So I found el Atlántico. So it's the Atlantic,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
I thought you pronounce it. So I that was my
Atlantic.
goal to help you with this
Atlantic.
one.
Yeah, well, no, you're right. Like in a standard English pronunciation, Atlantic, right? But like I think, yeah, like I
Yeah.
said, California lazy mouth. Atlantic.
So then
Atlantic. El
Atlantic.
Atlántico.
Ajá, el Atlántico. Then we
Atlántico.
have el o la atleta.
Atleta. La
Mhm.
atleta.
So that would be los o las atletas, it depending on the sex or how many people.
Hmm.
But then we have in Mexico, we have the native people. They use a lot of TL, and you will
Hmm.
see.
Like
So
Huitlacoche.
huitlacoche, exacto. Oh, delicious. It's like
Mm,
a mushroom, I think so. It's the
yeah.
mushroom in the corn.
Yeah, it's a much nicer word because in English it's called corn smut, which is
Oh no.
terrible. Yeah. I much prefer huitlacoche.
Yeah, with Lakoche it's better. Okay. So this one, you know, now I used to have my favorite animal, it used to be the giraffe, but now I
Mm.
realize that I prefer the opossum. And
No.
opossum in Spanish is, well, I mean, it could be like, let me remember. But in the native people, it's tlacuache.
Tlacuache.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
In Spanish is zarigüeya.
Zarigüeya.
With C
Mm.
and H. But in the native people, it's tlacuache.
Mm.
Okay,
Tlacuache.
then we used to have el Dios Mexica de la lluvia. So it's the god of the rain.
Mm.
So it's Tlaloc.
Tlaloc.
Mhm. And then we have a place like a Home Depot. No, yeah, Home Depot. Yeah,
Uh-huh. Home
yeah,
Depot. Uh-huh.
Home Depot. Yeah, but it's a small, so it's a little owner, and it's called Tlapaleria.
Tla Tlapaleria.
Yeah, it's a little Home Depot.
Cute.
Then we have Tlatelolco.
Tlatelolco.
Yeah, it's an archaeological area in
Mm.
Mexico City. It's really beautiful.
Mm.
Then we have a place in one state of Mexico that it's called Jalisco. It's Tlaquepaque.
Tlaquepaque.
Yeah.
That's a fun one to say.
Yeah.
Tlaquepaque.
Tlaquepaque. And then we have Tlelt. Tletl.
Tletl.
Yeah, like that. It means fire in Nahuatl. Tletl.
Tletl.
And then there is a place in Mexico City because we have, I think it's, I don't remember, maybe 16. I don't remember. People in Mexico City will kill me. But
Mm.
like little, like a cities in Mexico City, there are
Mm-hmm.
different. cities. They call it alcaldías, and this one is Tlalpan.
Lalpan.
Mhm. And then we have, okay, this is a name. It's super common in Mexico, Xochitl.
Xochitl. Xochitl.
Xochitl. And it's for a
Xo-
lady. And then it's Citlali.
Citlali.
Hmm. I used to have a co-worker, a friend that it's her name was Citlali. And then we have a volcano that it's Popocatépetl.
Popocatépetl.
Hmm. And it's close to Mexico City, so you can see it. Then it's Quetzalcoatl.
Quetzal. Quetzalcoatl.
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 Yeah, muy bien. And then there is a place called Mazatlan.
Mazatlán.
Mhm. It says Ciudad de Mexico, but no, it's not in Ciudad de
Mhm.
Mexico. It's in near Mexico. It's a beach. I will check that. And then it's Tlaxcala.
Tlaxcala.
Yeah, it's a state in Mexico, and it's kind of close to Mexico City.
Mhm.
Yeah. So wow, you did it perfectly about the tool.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's super common in Nahuatl.
Right. Yeah. Like axolotl.
Del
Like
ajolote.
axolotl. Yeah, right.
We call it ajolote.
Ajolote. Uh-huh.
Hmm. Yeah. So I love this one. Thank you for coming and thank
Yeah,
you for
thank you.
practicing with us.
My pleasure. Thank
Thank
you.
you. See you soon.
Bye.